In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a strategy that if you decide to take action and be committed with yourself and with your success, you're going to have the opportunity to earn $10,000 per month. And not just 1 month, I mean month after month after month. This is not a get rich scheme, guys. This is a serious strategy that is not only working for me, but it's also working for others as well. Hey, hello, my name is Castillo. Welcome to my channel. If you want to keep watching this type of video, consider subscribing because on a daily basis I'm uploading content that I'm pretty sure that is going to be helpful, especially if you decide to develop this strategy. Okay, so as I mentioned before, this is not a get rich scheme. This is something that if you decide to take action, you are gonna have, the opportunity to earn $10,000 even more, okay, per month. Okay, again, remember, this is not a get rich scheme. Let me show you everything. First of all, we're going to be doing something that we call affiliate marketing, but this is not going to be traditional affiliate marketing, because on traditional affiliate marketing, if you started and let's say that on your very first month you get 4 sales, you get paid for those 4 sales. But on the second month and so on, you're starting from scratch. So that means that if you make 0 sale, you are not earning money. But with this strategy, you're going to be earning money month after month after month. Okay, so that means that is on the very first month you make 4 sales, and on the second month, let's say that you make 2 sales, you are going to be earning money from these 6 sales on the second month. If on the third month something happened and you did not make a sale, don't worry, you're gonna get paid for these 6 people, okay? Because you're gonna getting paid on a recurring income, okay? So this is the difference, guys, and this is why it is so important that we're gonna be applying this strategy. Okay, so you're gonna be earning money month after month after month, and it's gonna be growing. Again, this is not something magical. You need to put the time and you need to actually apply what I'm going to be showing you in this video. Okay, first of all, we need to have a product, and second, we need to find those people or attract those people who are going to be interested in what we have to offer. Don't worry, this is not going to be something complicated. I'm going to show you the product and I'm going to show you the traffic source so you can start this strategy as soon as today. Okay, first of all, the product that I'm going to be talking about is this one. Is the all-in-one 25 digital business. Okay, this is a business opportunity in which you're going to have a lot of tools, but also you're going to have community, which is great because if you need help, there they are. Also, you're going to have training, you're going to have masterminds. Okay, so you're going to have the funnel builder. It is actually something that I really like, and it gives you the opportunity to earn $20 or $100 on a monthly basis. Okay, so something really important, guys, is that you do not need to create your your product because they already have it, and you're gonna have the opportunity to earn $100,000 per year in 12 months. Okay, just by doing 1 or 2 sales per week. That's it. One cool thing about the all-in-one 25 business business opportunity is that if you make 2 sales, you're gonna be in profit for life. Okay, another reason why I like this, and it's not only because the product is great and it's amazing, you're gonna have the opportunity to review this, it's because they partner with Feed My Starving Children. Okay, for me this is a great cause, because you're gonna have an online business and also you're gonna be helping these kids. Okay, you're gonna have the opportunity to help them because they donate a portion of the sales to Feed My Starving Children. Okay, and this is something that is also happening every single month. So if you decide to give it a try, check the very first link. Okay, you're gonna scroll down. Don't worry, you're gonna have the opportunity to get it all. Here you're gonna type your information, your first name, your last name, your valid email address, and all that stuff. Click here. Okay, click here, and here you're gonna have 2 weeks for free with full training, not only the training that I told you, but full training about traffic and conversion. Okay, I'm going to show you one traffic source, but you're going to have the opportunity to learn more about that. Okay, it's going to be 2 weeks for free. If you decide that you don't want to keep it, don't worry, you can remove it. Okay, so sign in, and then you're going to go to the back office. Your back office is going to look something like this, because chances are that sometimes they are changing it. You're going to have the funnel builder training. Right now they do have this Emerson tool, which is amazing, because if you don't know anything about copyright, Emerson is going to be doing it for you, and you don't need to pay anything extra. Okay, if you decide to take on the box that I show you, you're going to have the HBA premium traffic and conversion enabled. So you're going to learn other graphic sources besides the one that I'm going to show you. Okay, and you're going to learn free traffic sources and paid traffic sources, and also you're going to have the Financial Literacy Academy. But I want you to go right away to the affiliate zone. Here on the affiliate zone, you're going to have 4 videos to watch. Okay, you're going to have 4 videos to watch, and it's going to show you how this actually works, and you need to sign an agreement. Okay, they also have the launch strategy, so please make sure you're going to watch it, because they really want you to success. As I told you, and as I shared with you guys, you have a real good reason why to partner with them. Okay, so then you're going to click here where it says Samcar affiliate login, and with your credential you're going to have some links. Okay, the link that we're going to be promoting is this one, the all-in-one 25 sales letter. Okay, this is the one that we're going to be promoting. So we have the product and the service that we're going to be promoting. So now we need eyeballs. We need those people who are going to be interested in what we have to offer. I don't want you to start from scratch, so there's going to be a second link below for my lead gen secret. With my lead gen secret, you are going to have 100 new leads every single day. Okay, just by paying $1. Okay, that's actually incredible. Okay, that's actually something really, really incredible, because you are going to have the opportunity to get 100 leads. With my lead gen secret, you can have as many accounts as you want. Okay, this is going to be your link. You can refer yourself. That's something that they allow. So if you decide to do that, let's say that you're going to be creating 3 accounts. So you're going to have your first account, you're going to have your second account, you're going to have your third account. This one refers this one, this one refers this one. So if you do that, this one is going to get 200 leads, this one is going to get 200 leads, and this one is going to get 100 leads. So that means that you're going to be getting 500 leads per day. Okay, so now we're going to go here where it says the mailing system. Okay, here on the mailing system, we're going to be sending emails to people on a daily basis. So you're going to click here where it says select all, and then there is going to be you're going to have the opportunity to add the subject, to add the message, and all this stuff. Okay, I do have a document with emails already written. Don't worry, you're going to have access to this as well. Okay, so literally this is going to be copy and paste. So I'm going to paste it here, and I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to show you how this is going to look like in a moment, and what do you need to do. Okay, oops, first. Okay, let me copy this. Okay, copy this. Okay, everything is bold, so I'm going to remove it. I'm going to correct the space. Okay, let's do that really fast. Okay, so there are a couple of things that I need to do before I send this. First, I need to select it all, and I want the size to be 16. So if someone opened this on their mobile device, they're gonna have the opportunity to read it clear. Okay, that's something that we always need to take into consideration whenever we're sending a message. What else? I don't have a link, so if they're interested on this, they are not gonna have the opportunity. Let me share. Okay, watch the video. I forget this. Okay, they're gonna have the opportunity to take the promo. So, and I like it to make it bold. Okay, remember that the link that we're gonna be getting is this one, the all-in-one 25 business. Okay, so I'm gonna copy it and I'm gonna click here and I'm gonna be adding the link. Okay, you're gonna be adding yours, I'm gonna be adding mine. So now you will need to click here where it says perfect timing. Okay, here on perfect timing, we're telling, in this case, my lead gen seeker, like, hey, we want to make sure that people are gonna open this whenever they do have more, or actually they're gonna get this email whenever they have more chances to open this. Okay, so if let's say that you have a 9-to-5 job, okay, because you want to replace it, and this is the opportunity that you're taking because you want to replace it. Okay, no worries, you can do it really early or you can do it at night, and you just click here where it says perfect timing, and there is going to be a button here that says send email. Okay, I need to wait 13 more minutes in order to send my email, because I'm just allowed to send one email every 24 hours. Okay, so this is how your email is gonna look like. And remember, guys, if you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because tomorrow I'm going to be releasing another video with another copy and another text. Okay, I see you on the next video.